Find the domain of the following functions. Sin x. Sin x, there is no restriction, so x belongs to R. Sin 3x, there is no restriction here, so x belongs to R. Cos 5x, no restriction, any values you can substitute, so x belongs to R. Cos 7x, no restriction, x belongs to R is the domain. But here tan x is not defined when x is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. That is, x belongs to R minus n pi plus pi by 2. Tan phi x. Tan phi x is not defined when phi x is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. So phi, if you bring it down, it will become n pi by phi plus pi by 10. So x belongs to capital R minus n pi by phi plus pi by 10. That means all real values except this. Tan 3x. Tan 3x is not defined when 3x is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. So x is equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So x is equal to R minus n pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Cot x. Cot x is not defined when x is equal to n pi. That is, x belongs to R minus n pi. Cot phi x is not defined when phi x is equal to n pi. So x is equal to n pi by phi. So x belongs to R minus n pi by phi. Cot 3x. Cot 3x is not defined when 3x is equal to n pi or x is equal to n pi by 3. So x belongs to R minus n pi by 3. Secant x. Secant x is not defined when x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. So x belongs to R minus 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Secant 2x. Secant 2x is not defined when 2x is equal to n2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Bring this 2 down. So x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. So x belongs to R minus n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Secant 3x. Secant 3x is not defined when 3x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 or x is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 6. So x belongs to R minus 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 6. Cosecant x. Cosecant x is not defined when x is equal to n pi. So x belongs to R minus n pi. Cosecant phi x. Cosecant phi x is not defined when phi x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi by phi. X belongs to R minus n pi by phi. Here log of log x to the base 7 given. Alhamdulillah. Log 3 log 5 log x to the base 7 given. So this part should be greater than 0. So log 5 log x to the base 7 greater than 0. 5 goes up, 5 power 0. Log x to the base 7 is greater than 5 power 0 is 1. So x is greater than 7 power 1. That means x belongs to 7 comma infinity. Log 10 log x to the base 10. So this part should be greater than 0. So log 10 log x to the base 10 greater than 0. So log x to the base 10 is greater than 10 power 0, or log x to the base 10 is greater than 1, or x is greater than 10 power 1. So x greater than 10 means x belongs to 10 comma infinity. Root x. Root x means x is greater than or equal to 0. So x belongs to 0 comma infinity. So root x minus 7. Root x minus 7 means x minus 7 greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 7. So x belongs to 7 comma infinity. Root 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. 3x is greater than or equal to 2. X is greater than or equal to 2 by 3. So x belongs to 2 by 3 comma infinity. X square minus 9 by x minus 3 given. Here restriction is denominator should not be equal to 0. So x minus 3 is not equal to 0. X is not equal to 3. That means x belongs to R minus 3. Under root 2 plus x minus under root 2 minus x by x. So we will consider all these terms separately. 2 plus x is greater than or equal to 0. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Take it as equation 1. Next is root 2 minus 6. 2 minus is greater than or equal to 0. Or if we make it x minus 2, it will become lesser than or equal to 0. X is lesser than or equal to 2. Take it as equation 2. And x is not equal to 0, denominator. So when we combine both of them, first is telling x greater than or equal to minus 2 and 0 is not there. So minus 2 to 0 union 0 to 2. 0 you should exclude. So you will write open interval. Similarly, next question is root 3 plus x minus root 3 minus 6 by x. So first we will consider root 3 plus x. 3 plus x greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. Equation 1. Next is root 3 minus x. 3 minus x greater than or equal to 0 or x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Or x is less than or equal to 3. And denominator is x. X is not equal to 0. So it starts from minus 3 to 0. 0 is excluded. Union is 0 to 3. Next question is root 5 plus x minus root 5 minus 6 by x minus 3. Separately, I will consider root 5 plus x. 5 plus x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to minus 5. Take it as equation 1. Then root 5 minus x. 5 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. So x minus 5 is lesser than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to 5. Take it as equation 2. And denominator x minus 3 is not equal to 0. So x is not equal to 3. If we combine both of them, it is telling greater than or equal to minus 5. So minus 5, comma, 3 is not there. So excluding 3. 3, open interval, union, open interval 3, comma, 5. Next question is 1 by root x into x minus 3. So x into x minus 3 is greater than 0. Because it is in denominator, we will not take equal to, we will take greater than 0. So on the number line, if I draw, it is 0 here, 3 here. So it is plus, minus, plus. Greater than 0 means, plus means it lies between minus infinity to 0, union 3, comma, infinity. Next is under root 1 minus 2x minus 3x square. So 1 minus 2x minus 3x square is greater than or equal to 0. I'll change the sign. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So 3x square plus, factorize it, 3 1s are 3, 3x minus x minus 1. 3x into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 1. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So if we draw a number line, it is minus 1 and 1 by 3 plus minus plus. Less than means it lies between minus 1 and 1 by 3. So x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 by 3. Next question is log of x minus 3 by under root x 7 minus x. X log, if I consider log x minus 3 means x minus 3 greater than 0. X should be greater than 3, 1. Then root 7 minus x, it is in denominator. So 7 minus x is greater than 0. So x minus 7 is less than 0. X is less than 7. So x belongs to 3, comma 7. There is no equality. So we will take open interval on both sides. Sin inverse of x minus 3 by 2 minus log of 4 minus x to the base 10. So first we will consider log sin inverse of x minus 3 by 2. We know that x minus 3 by 2 lies between minus 1 and 1. 2 if we go take that side, minus 2 and plus 2. And minus 3 if I take this side, it will become plus 3 and this will become plus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. Next log 4 minus x we will consider. 4 minus x is greater than 0. That means x minus 4 is less than 0, x is less than 4, 2. So if we consider this 1 and 2, it starts from 1 and it is less than 4. So here close interval, this is open interval. 1 by log of 1 minus x plus root x plus 5. So here log of 1 minus x, that means 1 minus x is greater than 0. So x minus 1 will be less than 0. X is lesser than 1. 1 minus x is not equal to 1. So minus x is not equal to 0. X is not equal to 0. So it is telling it is lies less than 1. And next question is root x plus 5. Root x plus 5 greater than equal, x plus 5 greater than equal to 0. X is greater than equal to 1. X belongs to minus 5 comma 0. Union 0 comma 1 because 0 is not there. Log 1 by log of 2 minus x to the base 10 plus root x plus 3. So log 2 minus x to the base 10. 2 minus x is greater than 0, so x minus 2 is less than 0, x is lesser than 2. Next is 2 minus x greater than not equal to 1. So minus x is not equal to minus 1, x is not equal to 1. Next is root x plus 3. X plus 3 greater than equal to 0, x is greater than equal to minus 3. So if we compare both of them, minus 3 it's a 1. 1 we should exclude. Union 1 comma 2. Next question is sin x by x minus 5. Sin x, there is no restriction, x belongs to R. X minus 5 should not be equal to 0. So x is not equal to 0, so x is not equal to 5. So x belongs to R minus 5. Next question is root x minus 1 plus root 8 minus 6. X minus 1 plus root 0. X is greater than equal to 1. 8 minus 6 greater than equal to 0. X minus 8 is lesser than equal to 0. X is lesser than equal to 8. So 1 comma 8, both closed interval. Sin x minus e power root x. So sin x, there is no restriction, x belongs to R. E power root x, here x is greater than equal to 0. Take it as equation. From 1 and 2, x belongs to 0 comma infinity, closed interval. Next question, root a square minus x square. A square minus x square is greater than equal to 0, or x square minus a square is less than equal to 0. So x minus a into x plus a. X lies between minus a and plus a. Next question is root x square minus 7x plus 12. So x square minus 7x plus 12 is greater than equal to 0. Factorize it. You will get the factors x minus c into x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. So 3 and 4 separately. 4 greater than 0. Less than 3 is plus, so x belongs to minus infinity is a 3, close interval union 4 comma infinity. Next question is 1 by under root x square minus a square. X square minus a square is greater than 0. X minus a into x plus a greater than 0. X belongs to minus infinity to minus a, union a to infinity. Next question is cos x is less e power root x. So here what I have to do is cos x is x belongs to R. E power root x means x is greater than 0. X belongs to 0 comma infinity. Log of x minus 2. That means x minus 2 is greater than 0. X minus 2 is greater than 0. X is greater than 2. So x belongs to 2 comma infinity. Log 5 minus x. Log 5 minus x means 5 minus is greater than 0. X minus 5 is less than 0. X is less than 5. X belongs to minus infinity comma 5. 1 by log of x minus 3. X minus 3 is greater than 0. So x is greater than 3. F of x. So x belongs to 3 comma 4 union 4 comma infinity. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.